Welcome to a Jenkins Minute. I'm Liam Newman. In this Jenkins Minute, I'll show you how to use Git Environment Variables in Jenkins Pipeline. Git Environment Variables are automatically set at the start of any pipeline run that uses the Git plugin. We can then use those variables in our pipeline. In this sample pipeline, I'm generating some reports, adding them to a tar.gz file, and then archiving that one file for later review. Inside Jenkins, it's easy to see which tar file belongs with which run. They're attached to the run and show up in the run's details. But if I wanted to download and compare the reports from several different runs, it'd be better if each file had a unique name so I could easily tell them apart, while at the same time correlating them with a specific change. The Git commit is perfect for that. Blue Ocean shows us the commit ID when we look at any run. Jenkins lets us access that same information from inside the pipeline using the Git commit environment variable. Since I'm using this variable inside a shell step, I'll access it just as I would any environment variable inside shell. Since the commit ID is rather long, many tools use just the first 6 to 8 characters. I can do that here using a bit of bash shell syntax to grab only the first 6 characters. When I save and run this, my tar file's name will now have the first 6 characters of the commit ID added to it. To use the Git environment variables in a non-shell step, I'd need to use the interpolated strings provided by Pipeline's groovy syntax. In this example, I'm sending an email every time my pipeline finishes. The subject includes the Git branch and the first 6 characters of the Git commit, read from the pipeline's env object. Note the double quotes, not single quotes for that parameter. There are other Git variables that provide a range of useful information, from the name of the commit's author to the repository's URL. This has been a Jenkins Minute on using Git environment variables in Pipeline.